Hello, people. I'm so excited to be here. Happy New Year. It's New Year. I welcome you all to 2021. Watch out for amazing content this year. Amazing content, right? So if you've not subscribed and you're watching me, press the subscribe button, like this video, share and comment, right? And what do? If you're seeing my face for the first time, my name is Bounce's Lifestyle, and we talk about how to grow your business, digital marketing, and Canada guide. Is this what you want? Press the subscribe button and join the community, join the family. I welcome you all. And to my existing subscribers, I say thank you so much. I appreciate you and I love you. This is 2021. Please share my video and like, watch and comment. Today, I'm going to be giving us another top-notch topic, right? It's 2021, so we need to upgrade ourselves. We need to have some passive income, right? We need to have some passive income. So I'll be telling us how to be a social media influencer. Do you want to be a social media influencer? So stay tuned to the video and let's dive in to the video and watch till the end. Thank you. So guys, if you don't know, I'm a social media influencer. It's actually official this 2021. So if you need my services, you can contact me. You will know the definition of a social media influencer by the end of this video. So stay tuned and watch to the end, okay? And I will also tell you how to become a social media influencer, right? Are you excited? So keep watching, subscribe, like, comment, and share my video. Thank you. So now let's go back to our topic. Once again, our topic is how to become a social media influencer. Who is an influencer? Influencer marketing is a form of social media marketing involving endorsement and product placement from influencers, people and organizations who have a purported expert level of knowledge or social media or social influence in their field. Okay, so there are steps by step on how to become a social media influencer in 2021, right? We want to know that. And before I say that, do you know that you don't have to have a lot of followers? You don't have to have a lot of followers, because your target now should be the impression on your Instagram or any of the social media you're using. Do not focus on the numbers of your followers if you don't know that, okay? So how do you become a successful social media influencer? Number one, you pick a niche. Do you want to go into beauty? Do you want to go into clothing? Do you want to go into digital products? You pick a niche that you want to advertise to people, right? And you have to have passion for it. If you don't have passion for something, there's no how you can excel in it, because it's not a fast rich how did a fast street business. So you don't say I want to make 1 million this month. I want to make it. You start hyping the amount you want to make, right? It doesn't make sense. Okay, so you have to have passion for it, so that at least when things are not too, you're not getting a lot of contact, you don't feel down. Okay, so you optimize your profile. What do I mean by optimization of your profile? You on your social, you choose the social media you want to be, maybe a Facebook, maybe TikTok, maybe Pinterest. There are a lot of social media you can use for this for this social media influential business. Okay, you can also use YouTube. As I'm talking to you right now, you can use YouTube. You can use Twitter. It's very wild. Okay, so you optimize it. You optimize your bio, your introduction. You make it properly done. Okay, you create a business name, a business account. You have a business name and you create a business account. You come up with engaging bio. That is, you have to make your bio attractive. I said that before. Then you upload a cover photo and profile picture to make your page attractive. Okay, understand your audience is very important. The audience you're gathering, you understand them. The reason why I'm talking like this is because if a company brings a product to you, you have to deliver back to them, because yes, you're advertising for the company and they have to get feedback. Okay, they have to get feedback. And how do they get? If your followers are not engaging on your Instagram page or on your any of the social platform you have, then it will not encourage companies to give you jobs. Okay, so that is why you have to target the right audience. Target the right followers. If it's 5 or 10 people you have on your followers, and you know that yes, these people, they are sure banker that okay, if I market anything on this platform, definitely they are going to patronize me, they are going to patronize these people, then it is not the large crowd. Okay, I'm still going to talk on how to be a small social media influencer. I will talk about that later in the year. Okay, so this is just a preamble. Okay, it's just a preamble of a social media influencer, right? So you have to target your audience and you have to give them a top notch. And what do you need to become this? You don't need to buy a camera, you don't need to buy a green light. You can do that if you start earning money, right? But it's not a big priority. All you need is your phone, your Android phone. You need a normal light. Sorry about that. You need a normal light. You can use a natural light. If you don't have a natural light, you can use you can buy a ring light. Okay, and you need a good Wi-Fi. I mean internet. You need a good Wi-Fi, and that is all you need. And you just sit back and you start getting paid. And how do you get paid? This channel, sorry I didn't say that before. This channel is sponsored by Intellifluence. I hope I got the Intellifluence. I hope I got the name right. It's sponsored by Intellifluence. And how do you become an Intellifluence? It's so simple. It's so simple. I'm going to put a description, an article. I'm going to put an article in my description box, and a referral link that you can register. What do you need to do? You can start with these people, this company, this platform. You can start as a social media influencer. And how do you become a social media influencer with this IntelliFluence? All you need to do is go to their platform, register. When you register, you fill in the necessary stuff you need to fill in, and guess what? You get paid by reviewing products for them. Is either you get paid and you also get free products. So you choose the one you want. You can choose both. Okay? And you follow the instructions and you start getting complaints contacting you, and you start getting complaints contacting you. There's a place in the platform where it is called the marketplace, right? So inside the marketplace, that's where you get jobs, you get your back end, you register, you work at the back office. Okay? And any business, you have to choose a niche. Don't choose any kind of multiple businesses, things that you are happy with. Like, for example, my niche is beauty, clothing, anything beauty, anything cosmetics. That is my niche. Anything women's stuff, that is my niche. And businesses, because my channel is about how to grow businesses. So those are the niche I chose. Okay? I'm also in the platform, and it's a good way to earn money. Okay? So if you want to earn money in 2021, this intellectual is the one for you in 2021. And all you need to do is register through my referral link and read the article I'm going to put in the description box to give you a knowledge about it. Okay? And don't forget, 2021, don't let that money slay away. 2021, be positive minded. Have a positive mind. Okay? 2021, don't be slow. Grab every opportunity that you have. Grab all the opportunity that you have. Okay? So, without any further ado, we've come to the end of this video. I hope you gained something, and watch out for my next video. Bye.